Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile folding sofa bed couch by Nigoone, a perfect blend of comfort and functionality for any living space. This twin-size futon is designed with a tri-fold configuration, effortlessly transforming into sofas, luxury chairs, leisure chairs, and mattresses to meet your diverse needs for work, relaxation, and sleep. Crafted with 6-inch thick high-density memory foam, it ensures no sagging while sitting and prevents sinking to the floor when sleeping, providing ultimate comfort. The breathable linen cover is removable and washable, making maintenance a breeze, while the extended Velcro straps keep everything securely in place. Ideal for compact spaces, this floor sofa is a space saver, easily folding into a compact size for storage, perfect for guest rooms, dorms, or even RVs. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, requiring no assembly, just unfold and let it expand for 24 to 48 hours before use. Remember, this is a floor sofa designed to be used against a wall, making it a practical choice for modern living spaces. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.